Hey guys, we are at one of Fort Wayne's dog park. It's the dog park is called, and it's all for us because nobody's here. It's called Camp Canine. Show you, Camp Canine. Welcome. This is Fort Wayne's dog park. Opens 8 to 9 p.m. All that. All kinds of rules and regulation, and we are all alone here. Nobody's here. Look at that. This nice dog park too. Look at it. It's so beautiful. Yeah. Nice. Hey, Kush. Right there. He's loving it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Look at him. It's nice here. Look at that. Very nice dog park. It's two parts. This is the first part and then the second out there. They got their own fountain. It's nice. People live some cleaning supplies here. Yeah. Yeah. All right. And look at Kush. He's just, look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna separate them because we don't know. Yeah. Yeah. But anyway. There you go. There you go. Nice. Yeah, they race right on the fence too. Yeah. Yeah. It's a nice dog park. Really good. It's great for dogs. It's a lot of dogs here. Sometimes they reach to like 35, 32, 35s dog. Yeah. Kush! He likes it here. What's good about this here, because it's cheaper, it's $40 for one whole year. And then if you just want to get a membership for your dog, like July to like December or January, it's only $20. But I go full year, so we could come out here when it's snowing. He loves the snow. What's up? Yeah. And then all the way out there is the Memorial Coliseum. It's a big Coliseum. I'll show you. It's like sports event, anything, catering. There's catering in there too. Nice. It's a big, and then that's going to New Haven. That's it's really nice. And what's good about this, because it's adjacent to RV park right there. And what's good about it too, because it's got cameras right there too. Cameras, so if something happens, you're protected here. Got cameras right on the post. Sit. Yeah. All right, Kush, come here. This dog is like 70 pounds now. He's only 2 years old. So come on down. If you want to register for a membership of your babies, go to the Park and Recreation office down at Parnell and um, State Street. So you could, just enroll out there. That'd be nice. Yeah. All right, guys. Just trying to share this to you. The best. Oh no, hang on. I want to show you here too. This is the water, dam here. Right there. This water filtration out there. Right there. Do you see that? It's out there. It's a big, like a river. Yeah. Yeah, what's good about this, you got nice bench, like a picnic table. If you're, you have your family, bring your dog, you could bring some, I think, food. But yeah, dangerous for dogs to eat, cigarette. I assure you, no smoking in dog park. Cigarette butts are dangerous for dog to eat. Yes. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, buddy? Come here, show me. What are you doing? He's smelling anything. Here. Alright, guys. Thanks for subscribing, and it's cold right now. It's like what? 60 degrees, 62. But we'll be home soon. Alright. Well, see you, and thanks for subscribing. And I'm just sharing you this nice dog park where you can, bring your babies, dogs, of course. Yeah. Okay. Yep. See you soon. Bye. Just push this one here. Water comes out. Kush. Yeah. I'm sorry. I thought it was, it was over. It's like, but I got a lot of things to share, so it's not over yet, this video. But anyway, yeah. It's just the dog park. Yeah. Yeah, it's getting, yeah, we got dogs all over. Oh, it's sunrise. Oh, sunset. It's coming now. Oh, they got dogs right there. You guys are tired? You're tired? Tired, Kush? All right, let's see it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Look at that. Our dog can run. Look at that. Faster than this dog. All right. Hey, baby. I'm tired, and that's it. That's it. I promise. No more video. Thank you for subscribing. All right.